Check it out. That was a cool color. Cool cars. Little Lotus over here. Man, that's tiny, man. Jeez. That really is tiny. Wow. Basically a go-kart with some amenities. Have a camera? Cool. Right.
So I went to the police station on Sunday and said my front plate was just stolen.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna go on record.
That's right.
He never stopped me.
Yeah.
But I planned for everything because I think if I come back through from Champaign the next day without a plate on,
And you see it, yeah. And he sees you, she's like, same car, then a plate still.
That's obvious. Not many days going
No.
without a plate on.
Right. So the wheels are original too.
Yeah.
Obviously the tires are not.
No.
It'd be rotted by then. The back end though, look at the back end though. Oh my gosh. It's DB6.
The bird poop up just got me.
Yeah.
Notice you can fill it on both sides for racing.
Oh my. So pretty.
Fills the same tank, you can just fill on either side.
So both sides. That's smart.
Depends on where you're racing.
All right. You don't have to waste time turning around and you forget which side you are. Go ahead, go ahead.
Polish guy does all the engine. Really?